guys, my name is Rupal from Lexis & Company. Today I am here to tell you about patent search. A patent search is an important step in the process of obtaining a patent for an invention. It involves searching through existing patents and other relevant literature to determine if a similar invention already exists or if there are any potential obstacles to obtaining a patent. Here's a brief guide on conducting a patent search. First, understand your invention. Before starting the search, you should have a clear understanding of your invention, its purpose and its unique features. This will help you identify relevant keywords and search criteria. Second, use online databases. There are several online patent databases such as US Patent and Trademarks Office database, the European Patent Database, and the World Intellectual Property Organization database. These databases contain information on patents granted worldwide. Third, keyword search. Start by using specific keywords related to your invention. Think about the different aspects and functionalities of your invention and try to identify relevant terms. Use these keywords to search the patent databases. Third, classification search. Patents are often classified according to the specific classification system such as International Patent Classification or the Cooperative Patent Classification. Understanding the classification system relevant to your invention can help you locate relevant patents more efficiently. Refine search results. Review the search results and analyze the abstracts, titles, and claims of the patents that appear to be relevant. Look for similarities in the technology, purpose, or the features of the invention. Pay attention to the filing dates to determine if any recent patents might affect your ability to obtain a patent. Sixth, non-patent literature search. In addition to patents, it is important to search non-patent literature such as scientific journals, conference proceedings, and technical publication. This can help identify prior art that may not be documented in patents but could still be relevant to your invention. Seventh, consult a patent attorney. Conducting a thorough patent search can be complex and the interpretation of such results requires expertise. Considering a patent attorney or a patent search professional who can provide guidance and help assess the novelty, patentability of your invention. Remember that a patent search is not a foolproof and there may be relevant prior art that you missed during your search. However, conducting a comprehensive search will provide you with valuable information about the existing technology landscape and assist you in making informed decisions regarding your patent application. So that's it for today. If you have any further doubts, please comment down below. Thank you.